Today I take a seminar on the theme of revenge in Frankenstein. Frankenstein is a novel written by the Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley is a very famous writer in English literature. She is a wife of B.B. Shelley. Frankenstein means the Prometheus. In this novel, two main things are included. One is horror and another one is science. Frankenstein is a gothic novel. Gothic means horror novel. First of all, we see the main character of this novel. In this novel, the Robert Walton is the captain of ship, and his sister Margaret. Main protagonist of this novel is Victor Frankenstein. His younger brother is William, his friend Henry, and Victor Frankenstein family adopted one girl. Her name is Elizabeth. So, friend, we see the theme of this novel, revenge. So Victor Frankenstein is a very genius person, as well as he is a scientist. He know the secret of life. That's why he think about the life and death, and that's why he wanted to create some Nobel race. That's why he collect the bones of the dead bodies and experiment on that bones. Through this experiment, he created a one monster. Unfortunately, he is looking very ugly. That's why people fear of that monster and they hate that monster. In this way, the human society boycott that monster. Through this hate, the monster is very angry on people. After some days, one incident happened in Victor Frankenstein home. His younger brother killed someone. That time, Victor Frankenstein know the monster killed his younger brother, but no one trust on Victor Frankenstein. That's why he and um, keep quiet. Don't tell anyone about that monster. After some days, he went to one island. That time, that monster met to Victor Frankenstein and request to the Frankenstein to please you create me another female monster for my company because I am very lonely. No one help me, no one talk with me. That's why you create a one female monster. First of all, Victor Frankenstein denied that proposal, but after forcing that monster, Frankenstein agree and the he start experiment on that female monster, and he going to the England and start experiment on that female monster. But he experiment and creating that female monster. That time he think, what I do, this is not good for the human society, because after I creating the female monster, then the monster are multiplying, and this is very dangerous for the human society as well as the mankind. That's why he stopped their experiment and decide to destroy that female monster. That time the male monster watching their experiment, and Victor Frankenstein destroy that female monster in front of that male monster. That time the monster tell to Victor Frankenstein, "You what what you are doing? This is not good. I take a revenge of that thing." And he tell to Victor Frankenstein, "And I kill your wife at the marriage night." And he went. After some days, Frankenstein's father calling to Victor Frankenstein because of his wedding with the Elizabeth. At the wedding night, that monster killed by Elizabeth and take a revenge of Victor Frankenstein. That time, Victor Frankenstein realized the our experiment is very dangerous for the human society, and he wanted to destroy that monster, and he follow that monster. And this monster running towards the North Pole, and he is following that monster. That time, Victor Frankenstein condition is very critical, and he is unconscious of that path. That time, Robert Walton rescue the Victor Frankenstein and take on the boat. And that time, Victor Frankenstein tell the story about his life and died. Victor Frankenstein died on the boat. After dying, Robert Walton made that monster and tell him, "To your creator is died because of you. You are responsible for his death." That time